It's commission time. So back in August, I was approached by a potential client to actually sketch some sketches on some canvases so that her and her cousins could go out on a trip in October and actually do a paint and sip. It was an odd choice and it was an odd request, but I took the job and here we are. I'm supposed to have these done by October, and it's basically October now. Especially when I'm recording this. So I kind of just asked myself, do I really want to record this? And I said no, but then I was like, let's go. So after I got all the materials from the client, as well as the reference images that I'm actually going to need to sketch, I decided to just get going. So I actually need to draw three of these, and then 2 of these as agreed by my client and her cousins, which was a bit odd, but I can't really say anything. So yeah, that's kind of where it is, and I kind of just wanted to show this process. So like I said at the beginning, it's commission time. So a couple of days have passed already. I recorded the first section a couple of days ago, and I finished the rest of the pieces. I finished these a while ago as well. I finished these the same day, actually. I found a faster way to do this instead of just doing the grid that I did here. I thought that was going to be the easier way of doing it, but yeah, that kind of wasn't the case. Not really. Again, I thought it was going to be, but it wasn't. And as I went ahead on, this is the first one, I kind of progressively got better, kind of, not really. But a couple of these were better than the others. This was the last one I did. This one was kind of as accurate as I could get it. So that's what that is. So this was the first picture in the 3, and this one was the second. Technically, this is the second one I did. It was the most complicated one, but I did it faster, so that was helpful, very. And we have this one. I like this one as well because I'm actually trying to practice drawing feet, so this was super helpful. So these actually were kind of better. Not really. Kind of better. This is the last one, so this last one was a little bit better, a little faster than the other ones as well. But yeah. The client only needed what was this? This is 3, 6, 8 of these. And last time I checked, this was 9. So I actually have a spare one. This one here at the very top. This is the worst one so far, kind of, that I did, basically. So I'm actually going to have a little painting at the end of this and use this one. But overall, I give myself a B- on these commissions. Mainly because most of these were already good before I got to them. What do I mean by that? I don't know. We'll figure that out later. So, yeah, that's kind of it. And, anything else I need to say? No. Yeah, so, we're going to go ahead and just paint this one in. We're going to stick to the picture as reference, mostly. Or not, I might actually do something different. I may give it a blue background, which gives me an excuse to use this blue that I went ahead and got. This is ultramarine blue. This is ultramarine acrylic ink, because acrylic paint, because I needed more blue. I had so many reds and yellows from my last commission earlier this year, my last big painting commission earlier this year, and yeah, I just needed blue. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that. I think I talked too much, but I have an idea for this, so we're just gonna go ahead and leave that. And so, with all of that being said, this has been the slight conclusion to all of this. Wait, hold on. There we are. I gotta keep these grouped up. Yeah, so this has been the conclusion to all of this. This has been a very fun exchange of ideas and stuff like that, because my brain is fried. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, and I have no idea what else to say to this. Yeah, the client is going to be around actually, they're probably going to be tomorrow. They're going to be here tomorrow afternoon, now that I think about it. But anyway, they'll be here to pick all of these up, and I will actually give them this one as well. I like this one. This one was fun. I have no use for it, and everything that I did, it is so glossy you can barely really see it, but everything I did on it was really fun, and it's basically what they're going to be doing with theirs as well. But because I kind of messed up with a couple of these, they're going to have a little bit more fun with theirs. So, well, at least I hope. And as you see, mine is, blue. But, yeah. So that leaves me with 3 extra canvases that she will probably let me keep. So 3 out of 16. All right, that's cool. That's fine. Well, hold on. 3, 6, 9. Yeah. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Okay, anyway. So, yeah, that's where we're going to leave it on. So, this has been this has been my first paint and sip commission. And honestly, I hope you all enjoyed watching the video so far. It's been a little funny putting together everything. But honestly, I feel like this main thing that has come out along with these 4 has been worth it, honestly. I look forward to doing the next one because there's always a next one. I'm never done with these things. So yeah, again, I really hope you all enjoyed the video, or at least learned something about brushwork, because I think I will probably say something extra to it. I don't know. I haven't looked back at everything. But yeah, and if you did like the video, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below and telling me your thoughts on all of the paintings and the whole process that I used to actually produce all of these. Obviously, you didn't see these 2, but it was kind of the same process as this one, mostly. Less hair, as you see. But yeah, I'm rambling now, but anyway, let's kind of start to close it up. So, with all of that being said, again, thank you all for watching, and until next time, I will talk to you all later.